How to blur the video background in CapCut. So if you want to add a background blur to your videos and make them look more professional, then follow this simple tutorial. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. The very first step is to import the video that you want to edit in CapCut. Now, click on the Effects button right here, then Video Effects, select Basic, and find this blur effect and select it. Now drag this blur effect at the end of our video, and you can also click on Adjust if you want to make your blur stronger or weaker. When you do that, go back and then click on the Overlay button. Then add Overlay and select the original video. Then zoom in the video a little bit and make it a tiny bit bigger than the actual frame. This will give a better effect to our video. And background blur, when you do that, scroll down until you see a cutout button and tap on it. Then remove background and just wait a couple of seconds until CapCut removes the background. You will be left with this cool blurred background effect. And you can now export your video and save it to your photo gallery or share it on social media.